Number 37 on page 116. This is a word problem where you've got to make a sketch, and that will help a lot. I think in the description we've got a ramp that has a 5% grade, so it goes up at a slope of 5%, and the door is 3 feet above the ground from the base of the ramp. How long along the ground does the ramp have to be? So if I'm going to draw a sideways view of that ramp, and if we've got a 5% grade, that's 5/100ths, right? And so to simplify that, I can say that's a grade of a 1/20th. So for every 1 foot I rise, I'm going to run 20 feet. And what I'm supposed to find in this problem is, looking at this, if the base of if the door is 3 feet above the ground, and they want to know what's that length there. So one way you could look at this is similar triangles, and it's just a proportion, and I can say 1 is to 20 is 3 is to x. So x is 60, so this has to be 60 feet. But if I frame it in terms of slope, instead of looking at it as the proportion, I could say that this is an equation where if I look at it like this, and I think about this as the line, a line, and I put that line in slope-intercept form, and I could think of this as 0, like on a coordinate plane. What is the slope of this line? And this line has a slope of 1/20th. And if I consider this 0, 0, it's like 1/20th x. So when I know, if I look at this as the x and this is the y, and I know that this is 3, I can substitute that in here and say 3 is equal to 1/20th x. So multiplying both sides by 20, of course, 60 is equal to x. We could look at it like that too.